So hey, hello guys, welcome back. So in this video session I am going to discuss about the AWS account creation. On my screen you can see there is one agenda. So let's see the agenda first for the AWS. So first we will set up the AWS free tier account. We will go with the step by step, and then finally we can set up the AWS free tier accounts. Once the account is set up on our machine, then we can access the AWS console. So I will let you know how we can access the AWS console once the free tier account is created for the practice. Once we have accessed the AWS console, then how we can access the EC2 instance. So that also we will see in this video session. Okay, so now first let me create the AWS free tier account. So for that I am going to switch to the Google. So on Google search box you can type the AWS free tier account, and after that it will give you the link. So this is the Amazon Web Service free cloud computing with the AWS, and here AWS Amazon.com free cloud computing services. So AWS free tier account, so you can click on that one. After that you will see the window like that, and this is the AWS free tier account window, and here you have the create a free account. So you need to select this one. So you can click on this free account button. After that it will ask you to sign up for the AWS. So you need to provide the email address, the valid email address, and you can also provide the account number. That account name will show on your account once the account is created successfully. So you need to provide the AWS account name. So this is the user defined account name. So I am going to select this user email ID, and this is the account name. So we can select the account name. I have selected this account name. You can select your own account name, and then you can click on the verify email address. When you click on the verify email address, it will send a verification code on your email ID. So that email code you need to copy from your email address. So go to your email address where you have provided for this account sign up process, and then you can provide the verification code. So in my case I was got this verification code, and then I click on the verify button. After clicking on the verify button, you will get the message like that. It's you, your email address has been successfully verified, and create your password. So you need to provide your user defined password. So you can select your strong password, root user password, and you can click on the continue button. Okay, I have provided the user password for my account, and after that I click on the, then it will ask for the contact information. This is the contact information full detail. You need to fill up this one. So I have filled up this information, the personal, and I provided my name and the phone number and the country and my address. So once I fill up this information, after that I click on the continue button. In step 3 of 5th, so in the step 3 of 5th you need to provide the billing information. So you have any credit and debit card number? So you can use the credit and debit card number. You need to enter the debit card number or the credit card number, expiration date and the year, and the card holder name and the CVV number. And you can select the billing address, whatever address you have provided in the earlier steps. And if you have the PAN card number, then you can select the yes and you can provide the PAN card number, otherwise you can select the no. Then verify and continue with the step of 3. After that I'm on the step 4 of the 5th. So here the sign up for the AWS. Now it will ask you for confirm your identity. So to confirm my identity, what I will do, I will choose the text message procedure. So for that I will provide my mobile number. So I select the country code and I provided the mobile number, and then I enter the captcha. So whatever captcha is saying, and then you can click on the send SMS. In few seconds you will get the SMS on your mobile number, and then you need to provide the verification code. Once you provide the verification code, you can continue the step 4 or 5th. Once you continue with that, you will get the sign up for the selected support plan option. So you have the three types of the plan: the basic support free tier plan, developer plan, and the business support plan. So it is the free, and it will charge $29 per month, and this is the $100 per month. So for our practice on the learning purpose, we will select the basic support options. So I selected the basic support, then I click on the complete sign up. Click on the complete sign up button, and after that I will see the congratulations message, thank you for sign up for the AWS. Now I will click on the go to the AWS management course console. So you can click on that one. Now here it will ask you some personalize your experience, so you can provide the role and the interest if you are interested to provide these informations. Otherwise you can leave as it is. After that, you can go to the My Account section, and under the My Account, you will see the AWS Management Console. So on my case, I have the My Account section is there. And under I have the AWS Management Console, and I will click on this one. After that, it will ask me to sign in with the root users. So I need to provide the root user email address. So this is my root user email address, and I will provide the root user email address. Then I will say next, and then I will select the password. Whatever password we provided during the sign up process, I will provide the same password here, and then I will click on the sign up button. After that, it will ask you can access all the services here. There are the sections for recent visited, and you can save your favorite services. So you can follow these the widget options that will provided first time by the AWS. So you can select the next, and it will take you to the tour of this overview. Now uh, after that, it will show you this page, complete the sign up. It will not show you the console because we, we didn't verify the email address after the sign up process. So for that, what we need to do, you can go to your email ID and go to your email inbox, and you will see the two messages. The first is Amazon Web Service message, and second one is the no reply AWS. So your AWS account is ready. So you will get the two messages from the AWS, and you can go to this Amazon Web Service first message, and it will say the welcome message from the AWS side, and the second message you will get the welcome to Amazon Web Services. Okay, this is the get started now message, and in that one you can click on the AWS Management Console link. When you click on this AWS Management Console link, you will see the console like that. Okay. And this is the console first time when we are going to visit the AWS after creating the successful account, and your account number will be showing here. So whatever account number we have provided in this step 1, it will show here. Now this will show you the EC2 dashboard. Okay. We want to create the EC2 instance for our learning purpose, and this is the console where we can take that tour of the EC2 instance. So instances we can access. This is the new under the instances. When we click on that one, it will give the instances. So whatever instance we can create, it will show here. So you can launch the instance from here. If you want to create a new instance, you can click on the launch instance.